Let's check out the logs and email features. First, expand the output menu. Enable the logs button. Then, enable combine objects. The number of images to export is 3. Start the render. Once complete, open the export folder. You'll find 2 files named render_time, one in .csv and one in .txt. Open the .txt file. It contains the date and time when the render started, a list of the exported images along with the time taken for each, the total number of rendered images, the total render time, and finally, the render status, here, marked as successfully completed. The same information is available in the CSV file. For more details, please refer to the documentation. The add-on also offers an option to send these files by email, including both render_time and render_state. The email is sent automatically once the render is finished, whether it completes or is stopped. In another video dedicated to the add-on preferences, I'll show you how to enter the required information to set up email sending. That's it for the logs and email feature. Thanks for watching.